Hey folks, full screen rather than a little box. This video isn't a normal market review. I just wanted to add something different to the channel. I'm probably going to do some other different types of videos as well. But today I'm just going to talk about a bunch of books that I've been through that helped me. We won't go over them into any real detail. I just wanted to show them. And then I'm going to add some links to the bottom of the video and future videos just so resources are there. So you can take a look at them. This one is called Lessons from the Greatest Stock Traders of All Time by John Boyk. Hopefully you can see it. It has 5 different traders, including William O'Neill and Jesse Livermore. Just kind of goes over what they figured out and how they were successful. This one, Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard, Mark Minervini. I just found this one last year, a couple years ago. It's kind of helpful. It just gives you a little bit more tips and tricks that some traders might use that might be helpful. A lot of the methodology that I use to trade is called or drawn from the CanSlim system. And then of course I've just modified it for my own tolerance and what I see in the market. And that's this guy, William J. O'Neill, How to Make Money in Stocks. I've read through this a couple times, not a ton. The basis for the way that I trade is this though. And then How to Trade in Stocks, Jesse Livermore. Again, this is like the first guy that kind of realized there were these patterns forming that you see when I show my charts. He was kind of the first one that really figured that out. And then that's talks about everything that he learned and what he figured out and stuff. Here's another one by Minervini, Think and Trade Like a Champion. This is the second one he did after the first one I showed. This one's really good as far as like psychology. Just the way you got to kind of control emotions and really have a plan, I guess. This doesn't really go over a plan, I don't think. But at some point, I'm going to go over my own plan and what exactly I follow. It's kind of like your rule book for trading. If you don't really have one of those, you're going to be in trouble. This one's Momentum Masters, which is Mark Minervini, David Ryan, Dan Zenger, and Mark Ritchie. I want to mention Dan Zenger because his website, chartpattern.com, was one that really started me off on the path of learning and teaching me the patterns. That's a paid service though, just so you're aware. But yeah, it helped me out a lot. And then this guy, if you want to really understand charts, patterns, creating targets, I would recommend this absolutely. It's called How Charts Can Help You in the Stock Market by William L. Giler. And there'll be a link to that in this video, and then I'm going to stick those links in future videos just so people can have access to resources. That's really it. Again, at some point I'm going to take my rules out and I'm going to go over them and kind of explain my thought process and how I came about the overall plan that I use. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.